Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day 4 of doubt solving sessions. So the doubt which I got this time was ki maximum number of domains that we can opt for in Big 4 or top 10. So in Big 4, in Big 6, you have to be domain specific, and even I think in top 10 you have to be domain specific. You cannot have experience of different domains at a time. But if you want to have a learning criteria, if you have a learning criteria that you want the experience of different domains during your 2 years of articleship, so what you can do is you can go for mid-size. There's no harm in choosing mid-size over Big 4 or Big 10, because there are people who have different learning perspectives, and if it suffices their purpose, so why not to go for mid-size? So the answer of this question or the doubt is Big 4 and Big 6 और टॉप 10 से अगर आप आर्टिकलशिप कर रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू बी डोमेन स्पेसिफिक. तो आपका पूरा 2 साल आपको एक ही डोमेन में काम करना पड़ेगा. येस, यू कैन स्विच बिटवीन द डोमेन्स, but I have not seen doing articles such thing. Rather what they do is they opt for industrial training. So अगर आपको आर्टिकलशिप के ड्यूरेशन में ही अगर मल्टीपल डोमेन्स का एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए तो go for mid size. Thanks for watching and let me know your doubts in the comment section below. Bye bye.